So, it's a common practice in Unreal Engine to bookmark your level locations by pressing Ctrl and the corresponding digit you want to bookmark your location with, and then pressing the digit again to go back to those locations. But did you know you can do this in blueprints as well? You can bookmark your blueprint location by pressing Ctrl and the digit, and then you can go back to the same place by pressing Shift and the corresponding digit. Material instances are variations of a base material that allow modification of properties like your color, texture, and other parameters without recompiling the shader. They enable efficient performance optimization by reusing the base material's precompiled shader code. But did you also know you can use them for your gameplay experiences also very well? By exposing the instances parameters, it opens up a whole other world of things what you can do within your gameplay by using different material instances. Event dispatchers in Unreal Engine are a way to send notifications from one object to another, enabling communication between different parts of a game without tight coupling. They can be used to broadcast events, allowing other objects to bind and respond to these events dynamically. Event dispatchers are easy to create, and you can call them and bind them to any custom event in any actor or character. With event dispatchers, you can create gameplay experiences which would otherwise be super lengthy and super time consuming to create within a short span of time. Thank you. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you wish more of such videos, please consider leaving a like and subscribing.